AI creates insane thumbnails in 10 seconds. Designers are panicking. This just broke YouTube forever. AI thumbnails that get millions of views. Created in 10 seconds flat. No design skills needed. Here's what's happening right now. Major YouTubers are secretly using this. Their thumbnails look professionally made, but they're completely AI generated. I found the tools they're hiding. First one is called Thumbnail AI. You type your video topic. It generates 50 thumbnail options instantly, each one tested for click rates. But here's the insane part. It knows what colors work, what faces grab attention, what text fonts convert viewers. All based on millions of data points. Second tool is even crazier. Thumbnail Blaster uses your competitors' data, analyzes their best performing thumbnails, then creates better versions for you. That's basically cheating the algorithm. Third one blew my mind. Vidic's new AI thumbnail generator. It knows your exact audience, creates thumbnails specifically for them. Your click rates will explode overnight. But wait, there's more happening. These tools are getting scary good. They're reading emotions in faces, predicting viral potential before you upload. Some are hitting 90% accuracy rates. Professional designers are freaking out. Their clients are disappearing fast. Why pay hundreds for thumbnails when AI does it better, for basically free? The craziest part though, these AIs are learning your style. Feed them your old thumbnails. They'll create new ones perfectly matching. Your brand stays consistent automatically. Here's what this means for you. Your thumbnail game just leveled up massively. No more spending hours designing. No more guessing what works. The AI knows exactly what converts. Your competition doesn't know this exists. While they're struggling with Photoshop, you're pumping out viral thumbnails in literal seconds. But here's the catch coming. YouTube's about to flood with perfect thumbnails. Standing out gets harder daily. The window is closing fast. Early adopters are already winning big. Their channels are exploding overnight. Click rates doubled, sometimes tripled, all from better thumbnails. The revolution is happening now. Thumbnail creation just became automated. Designers are pivoting or disappearing. Smart creators are adapting fast. Most people will discover this when it's already too late. Their competitors will dominate completely, using these secret AI weapons. You have two choices right now. Jump on this immediately, or watch others crush you with thumbnails you can't compete against. The future of YouTube thumbnails is happening in real time. Those who adapt win everything. Those who don't disappear forever. This changes content creation completely. Perfect thumbnails for everyone. The playing field just shifted massively. Are you ready for what's next? Because what I just discovered about AI video editing tools will make this look simple. That's coming tomorrow.